All right,
Okay.
go ahead and let's take a look.
Wait
Okay.
5 seconds to make new.
So this happens without you clicking anything. You don't need to click any button. It just happens by itself.
Yes, no.
Okay. So the page will be full. Okay, that's good. So you can see that with set interval, we can make things automate themselves, right?
Yes.
Like things are happening by themselves. We can automate things. That's a good one. Okay. All right. So did you refresh the page?
Oh. Yes.
Okay. What happened? Did it stop by itself? Okay. Okay, so it has started again.
I think it times it by 2. So that there'll be
Yes.
1, then to become 2, then there'll be 2 become 4, 4 become 8, 8 will become 16, 16 will become 32, then it goes higher.
That's what's happening. And if you look at the code, it's simply following what is in the code. The code is saying what d.inner HTML, concatenate it with d.inner HTML. So that means it's doubling whatever is in the inner HTML per time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you do any experiment? Did you change anything to just see what the effect might be? Did you experiment with it?
I changed it to 10,000 seconds.
10,000 seconds. Okay, so that was 10. That would be equivalent to 10 seconds. Okay, so what did you notice?
What did I notice here?
No, what did you notice when you changed it to 10 seconds?
I had to wait 10 seconds for it to increase.
Okay, it increased. So it stayed longer before the next one changed, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So you know what? What's the status about your laptop? Is it going to be fixed or are you getting a new one? Which one?
But I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. So this is what I'm thinking. So as it is now, I wanted us to host. I wanted us to put those things, and you've already started working on that index.html on your system.
Yes.
I was really feeling bad that it's after you had finished everything, that's when the system decided.
Yes.
Now, so what do you think? Should we, the all the questions that we have done so far, you have them on WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
And some of them you had to work out the code.
Yes.
If you had to work towards it, if you had to work at it, do you think that you can redo those uh, questions so that we can still have our full website here on Shalom's computer?
It will take long.
So you understand what I'm trying to say, Abby?
Yes.
Okay. So what it now means is that all the questions that you've already done is just for you to redo them, and then we can have everything, so that we'll just do the index.html on Shalom system, and we know that we have everything there. I wanted to ask, was there any kind of backup on that system that you are using, like OneDrive? Was there a backup?
I don't know.
Okay, so let me show you something. Go to Shalom's file explorer. Let me see. Click on File Explorer. Let's see. Okay, it's loading. Open Documents. Click on Documents on the left. Okay, it's coming up. Okay. So from what I'm seeing here, there's no backup. There's no plan for a backup here. So let me tell you what you would have seen if there was backup. That place where your mouse icon is, where the pointer is showing date created 27th 08 2023. Can you see where I'm talking about?
Yes.
Around there where that mouse pointer is, you would have seen something like a small circle with a tick in it, green. So that will show you that the thing has uploaded to OneDrive. So the copies, that file is not just on this computer. The file is on OneDrive somewhere in the cloud. So if that kind of thing, if we had that kind of setup, all we would have just needed to do is to sign back into that OneDrive from any computer, and we would be able to download that backup
Okay.
from the. But so I don't know. Did you see anything like that? Anytime you were doing opening your own file explorer that time, did you see anything like that? Like a green tick on the side?
Mm,
You didn't see anything
that's
like that. You didn't.
no.
Wow. Honestly, if I'm to advise, so that we don't have something like that happening to sometimes those kind of things one cannot predict. I would I will advise that we even do a backup on this. Okay, look at OneDrive now. This computer has OneDrive, but it's just that I don't think anybody has signed into it. Look at that left side on the left where you have home, gallery. Go down, you see OneDrive there at the bottom, towards the bottom. Click on it. Let's see. Okay, so okay, it's saying desktop, documents, pictures, videos. Okay, apparently it has OneDrive, but I'm not sure now whether it's active. I don't think it's active. It's not looking active to me. If not, it would have been showing that all these files have been backed up. Okay,
Sorry.
so the times that you have, yeah, you can use Shalom system. Can you start working on those other files, working on those other ones, those previous homework that you have done?
Now.
Well, not now, but maybe after our class, at least you can just start working on them. I don't know how, but I know that we may not be able to finish immediately, but at least we can make progress. So let me see how many files you have now on that launch system. Let's see how many files you have. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all of them have to do with dynamic this thing, because that's what we were doing. They are just 8. Okay. Do you remember how many you had there? I think it was 80 something. Was it 80 something?
No,
Or
that
60
50 something or 60 something.
50 something or 60 something? Wow.
No, I think it was like 50.
It will take you like a week, Abby. Take you like a week. Okay. Okay, so let's just give ourselves a target. So possibly by this time next week, let's just give that target like a week, Abby. Okay. All right, no problem. So let's just say you can work towards it. So your what do you call it? The homework I'll be giving you, they're going to be easy like this one. So it's just to help you to understand the things that you can do with setInterval. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the top. Let me show you something. Thinking that minimal animation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's check on this system. I want us to do something that has to do with images and setInterval. How setInterval? Remember, I told you setInterval can be used for minor animations. When I say minor, that's not that kind of one that you have in cartoons and stuff, but something that will give the impression that it is moving, that there's a movement happening. It will give that impression, and it is quite, when you see it, you agree that yes, something like that is happening. Okay, so let's see if we can work on it. So we may not, let me see how much time we have. So we may not, maybe we will not code now. We'll need to, let's get the image right. So you will work on that. Okay, so go and search. There's an app called MS Paint. Check in your programs area where you open Visual Studio. There's a program called Microsoft Paint. Have you seen it? No, I said you have to search in start. Go to your start button. That's what I mean. Microsoft Paint. Not Paint 3D. Paint, not store. Paint. Yes, that one. Yes.
Which one?
The first one. Yes. Okay.
I remember doing this before.
You said?
I remember doing this before.
When was that?
There's a time we just started learning images, and this is the first place taught me how to do an image.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we're going to use this. Minimize this. Let's go.
What do you mean minimize it?
Minimize. See that top right area? Top right, where you have the
where you have the what?
Where you can close the program.
This.
Yes, that's minimize.
Oh yeah.
So click on it. You come back to. That's why I say you should minimize it. Okay, so now let's go to your browser.
My browser.
Yes, Microsoft Edge.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Yay, boy.
Okay. All right. All right. So let's see. Um, I want you to search for. Go to a site called. Should we? Which one should we do first? Okay. So let's go for images of an aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Yes, like a plane flying.
Uh,
Okay.
Images.
Yes.
Images. Aeroplane.
Okay.
This one
Uh-huh.
looks
Can you do that? Yes.
nice.
That one that should we use this one?
This.
Okay. Let me see if we can do this. Okay, fine. Let's work with that one. Download that image. That one that you clicked.
Sir?
Download this image.
Oh,
Yes, this one.
plane.
Yeah, you
Plane.
can just plane.
Yeah, plane. Save. I saved it.
Okay, good. All right. Let's see. What else do we do now? Then okay, still go back to your browser. All right. I'll send you the name of a site to go to. Let me send it in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Oh, yeah, she said it.
Have you seen it?
Yes. Remove that
Okay.
PG.
Yes, remove.bg.
Oops. See?
Yes.
Oh,
That's it now.
oh,
That's it.
oh. Okay. So that's it. Oh, just control C. Oh, control C. Control V. Remove those BG.
Yes.
Remove image background.
It removes the image
Um,
background.
automatically
Mm-hmm.
and free upload image or topic image.
Mm.
Stunning quality. So what do I do?
Uh, So look at that place where it says upload image. Have you seen it? Mm-hmm. So click on upload image.
Oh,
Okay.
wait,
So where's the place where you save the plane something? Mm-hmm.
I
I
didn't
think
save it.
you did now.
No, I
Click on
didn't
that.
save it on. I didn't save it on Simeon's website.
You did, you did. It's just that it was not. I think it was a WEBP file. So that place where you have custom files, click on it. Custom files at the
Where?
bottom there.
Okay.
Go back to click on all files.
Oh, fine.
Now go back to your coding and click on that images.
Yo.
Images.
Oh,
Can you
yo.
see? Mm-hmm.
Yes. Click on it.
Mm.
I clicked
Open.
on it.
Open.
Here to download image. What?
Okay. So you know what? When you're downloading images, look for JPEG images or PNG image. Hmm?
Okay, sir. Can I do something else instead of playing?
What else do you want to do?
Like a football?
A football.
Yes.
Okay. If you see a ball moving,
I mean,
it's just a ball, not a ball and a leg.
just a ball. Okay. This, this or this? No, that one's better. This one was very zoomed in.
Okay, that one is fine. But make sure that it's a JPEG. Oh.
Let me check. Is it a gauge? Save image. No, it's not. Can't I change it? Oh no, I can't. I'll find another
It's the
one.
nature of the image.
Save image as JPG. Is that the right one?
Yes.
There's an E. What?
Yeah, some of them will have E, some of them don't have E.
Oh, I just save it in my file.
Where did you save it?
I don't know what I saved, but
Try and save it again. Let's see.
okay, boy.
You saved it now, Abby.
Oh, did I? Wait, understood again. That's a joke. Open. Save.
I didn't see it, Sha, but I think you can. Mm,
Okay. Now go back. Try to go image. This. What the
mm, mm-hmm.
look? Or do you want the plane?
You said what?
Do you want the plane?
No, it's fine. It's fine like this. It's okay. Okay, so
Listen.
download it. Click on download so that we'll have this one that does not have the background.
Which one?
Click
PV.
on download. Free, yes. No, click on download. Just click on download. Don't click on the arrow.
Yes, I didn't click on the arrow. Wait. This one, right?
Mm.
Okay, so what do I do after that? You wanted me to
Has it
cancel?
done?
Yes.
Okay, so go back to go to where it is
What
located.
what is located? Sir?
The image, where the image is located.
Okay. Here? No.
Not here, File Explorer. Go to File
Oh.
Explorer, not here.
Mm-hmm. Wait. So,
This is not File Explorer now. You're still in Visual Studio.
oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. What is it?
The
Um,
one the one without the background. You didn't download the one without the background. All these
I
ones have
did.
the background. Do you understand? So
Oh,
where is it now?
I thought I did. Not a job.
Mm.
Save media. Yes. If it. Okay. Save. Then you go to the Control C. Control E. Save. Upload image. Upload play. Yeah, boy. Okay. Basically,
Mm-hmm.
free. Okay. I saved it.
Okay, it has downloaded, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where did you save it in?
Does it not have the background? I saved
Go and
it.
check your downloads folder.
Okay.
Downloads folder, not not Visual Studio. Downloads folder. Uh-huh.
Okay.
You see it now. Okay. So now close it, close this.
Okay.
Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to add, you see that picture, I want to add it to that paint. So right click on that image. Now you have to right click on it properly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Open with paint. Go to open with.
Open with where?
Down, okay, you can see, you can also go down, edit with paint. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. Okay. Can you see that at the top left corner where you have selection?
Selection.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Click on the rectangle.
Okay.
So draw a rectangle around that airplane. Around it. Yeah, it didn't go around it. Oh. No. You can't. If you do it like that, you spoil it. Undo. Just undo. Undo. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Did you hear what I said? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, draw a rectangle around it again. This time, cover everything. No. Wrong. Start from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. That's much better. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then don't now go to the top. Can you see that place where you have edit? File edit. Yes. Click on copy. Okay. Now remember that you minimized paint before. Go back to the one that you minimized, that plain white one.
What plain white one?
You have Microsoft Paint already open before, apart from this one.
Okay, I do.
All right. Do Control V, paste. Good. Now move that plane. Move it downwards.
Yes.
Down. Move it down to the bottom. I didn't say drag it. I said move it.
Okay, I want to give out to the slides.
Keep moving it. Keep moving it.
What happened? It disappeared.
I don't know where you moved it. You're the one that
Okay,
who removed it. Paste it in.
let's control C. Print. Control V. Control V. Okay.
Okay, keep dragging it down. To the right hand side. Drag to the right.
To the right.
Nice.
To the rest side.
Now, you see, we want to reduce the size, but I want to show you how to do it. Don't click on the those small boxes at the corner, either the top right corner or top.
Yes.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Oh yeah, reduce it. Just reduce the size small. Okay, that's fine. Don't spoil the image. Okay. It's fine.
Subscribe. Listen.
Okay. So now you know what we'll do. We're going to create this thing that you've done now. We're going to use it. I'm going to create several images. Okay. So we're going to save this image in your images folder. So click on File and Save, as if you want to save it.
File. Okay. And save. This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Select the place. Check on the left side. It's better to check on the left.
For what?
Where you have pictures and all that. Yes. Scroll up. Let's see. Scroll up. I didn't say right click. I said scroll up. Okay, click on documents. Locate where your is now. Click on
Okay, I click on
documents.
document.
Okay. Then look for your Simeon website also. I don't know what to call it again.
Simeon coding. Right, it's in desktop.
Oh, desktop. Okay, sorry. I thought it was documents. I didn't know.
Okay. I clicked on it.
I save it in images. But we need to change the name. Let's call it
Empty
P1.
plane.
Oh, no,
Okay.
plain one.
Plane one. Save.
Good. Just take note of how you are saving it. Take note. You type the word plain and then the figure 1. Good. All right. So we're going to do this again. So what you do now, click on File and click on File. Click new. New. Then Control V. Do Control V again.
Control V. Control V.
Move it down again.
Yeah.
Now, do you remember where that first one was?
Yeah.
It was around there, right?
Yes.
So move this one a bit towards the left, upwards, as if it's moving up. No, not too much. Just a little way from where that first one was. No. Move it down small. Move it down a bit. Down. Move it down a bit. Down a bit. Okay. Okay, it's fine. No. Move it up a bit. Okay. Up a bit. Up a bit. Okay. All right. So leave the size like this. So we want to be noticing that the size has changed. Oh yeah, save this as plane 2. File. Click on file. That's where you see save. Plane 2. It's the same place now. Just you didn't need to go and start looking for it again. Plane 2. Okay. All right. So click on file again. Click new. Control V, paste. Okay. So move it down. You understand what I'm doing now, right? At least you have an idea. Move it to the right a bit. Down small. Okay. Now, let's make it slightly bigger. So you remember, no, don't drag there. I told you, not that side. The corners. Corners. Not, yes. Slightly bigger. Again, slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. Okay, good. All right. Save this as plane 3.
Okay.
Have you saved it? Okay,
Yes.
good. Click on. Go ahead. Click on new. Okay. Remember where plane 3 was? You move down small to the right. Again, down to the right. Down again. Is it okay?
Okay, come and take this one. Stop crying.
Okay. Then now drag. Expand it bigger. Make it bigger a bit. Make it bigger now. Okay. Can you make it bigger a bit? So that there's a difference in the size. Make it bigger. Okay. All right. I save it as plane 4. Okay.
New.
Click on time. Yes. All right. All right. So you may not need to move. No, don't drag. No, don't drag like that. Drag the down bottom right corner. Bottom right, not left. Drag it. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. So that it will look like the plane is closer to us. Make it bigger again. Aha. Okay. All right. So let's see if we can see the effect of what we have done. Right. So save this as plane. Is it plane 5 or plane 6? I don't even know which one we did last.
5.
Okay, confirm what you are saving as. Was it plane 6?
No, plane 5.
What was the last one?
Plane 5.
Plane 5. Okay, all right. Okay, so close this. Close the paint. We're done with paint for now. We're done with paint.
Remove this one.
Okay. Yes, you can close this one too. This, you want to save it. Okay. Okay. So I'll send you a code. How many was it? Plane what? From plane 1 to plane what?
5.
Plane 1 to plane 5. Okay, we didn't get up to 6, right? Okay.
Oh.
No problem. Okay. So at least we have done most bulk of the work. I'll send you. There's a code that will make it look like it's moving. Okay. I'll send you. Should I send it now? Let me see if I can do it now. I can send it now. Like a minor animation code. Hold on.
Somebody.
It was .png, right?
Yes. First, let me
Okay.
check. Yes, it was.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm typing up something now. I'll send it to you in a few minutes. Plane 1, plane 2, plane 3. .png.
But from all angles, Alvarez didn't touch the ball. But from this angle, he had clearly touched the ball with both legs. But no one even noticed. The ref VAR was distracted to the penalty. But Mbappe ran and told the ref that Alvarez
You playing a video?
and the ref.
No.
Okay, I'm hearing something in the background. So what I want to do is to create the impression that that plane is moving by using those images. Do you have an idea of what I want to do now? Simeon, are you there?
Yes, I do.
You have an idea of what I want to do?
Yes.
Okay.
But the human head is made of dense bone, and it can actually withstand over 500 pounds of pressure. Now, a frog's bones are much weaker. By a regular book.
So to go. Uri. Wait.
Did you know that in football, Anything new in today's Fortnite update? First, there's brand new weapons. Camouflage shotgun, which works kind of like double barrel, up and down. All right, goblin it.
Simeon, can you see what I said?
Yes.
So now, I don't know how you can of course there's a part of it that is not there. By that part, I know that you understand what I mean. There should be a div in the body area that has ID of the one. So that's what will make it complete.
Right.
You hear what I said?
No.
I said to make it complete, you will need a div in the body area that has div of ID1. So you can copy that code from anywhere.
Okay, copied it. What's
The
your
one
name
that
before? What's your name
can name it
before?
minor animation. Minor animation set with set interval. Minor animation with set interval.
Oh, I thought I did not finish. Alright, then
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Is
let me
this
look at
right?
what you. Hold on, let me see what you have. Let me see. Okay. So, okay. So looking at what you have here, can you understand it just by looking at it? Can you take a look at the code and see what's happening?
Yes, I do.
Oh yeah, tell me what you think is happening here.
So, so the set interval.
Yes, go ahead. Start
Yeah.
with the first line of code. Start with the
So,
array. Start with the array.
okay.
Yeah.
You should understand why you chasing the good.
So we use square brackets when we want to use like plenty of like we use strings if we want like more than one of this. What did
What did you
So
say?
I said so we're using strings because strings let us use more than like one of this. So the set interval it will move the planes every 2 seconds.
You said to move it every 2 seconds.
Yes. Yes, sir.
How will it move it every 2 seconds?
Mm.
How will it do that?
Because of the plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, plane 4, plane 5.
So how will explain how it will go about doing that?
Um, the the function
Look at the function. Look at the function there. There's a function that is created there called move.
mm, that will make it move.
So what's happening inside that function that will make the plane look as if it's moving?
Um, the D dot NIH, the D dot gets element ID.
The d.inner HTML, if you notice, is being changed, is being set to an image. Is it not being set to an image?
Yes, it is.
I think there's even something that I needed to do there. There's something that's missing there. Wait, let me send you something. There's something that's missing. Because if we do it like that. So see what you do. You know that our images are inside an images folder, right?
Yes, sir.
So modify that img src to reflect that. Modify what you have there, the code I sent to you, modify it so that it will show an image. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No.
that code I sent to you, there's something missing there. Modify it so that when that image shows, it will show the planes.
I put image SLC.
You're not listening to me. I said modify that thing so that it will show the images correctly. As it is now, it's not going to show those images. There's something missing.
What's missing?
Hold on, I'm sending something. I'm saying something, but you don't seem to be understanding what I'm saying. Look at what I sent. Have you seen any difference between what I sent and what you have there?
What is difference? The image SRC. Did the internet dot then image SRC.
You've not seen any difference between what I sent to you
I
now
said
and what you have.
The D dot image assignment operator image SRC image
You've not seen anything there.
Okay, I'm coming soon.
Simeon, I can't believe it. You can't see any difference between what I sent to you now and what you have there.
My chat is big.
You what? What?
My chat. It's big. I don't know how to fix it.
Your chat?
My chat, yes.
I don't understand.
Let me show you.
You're not showing. I hope you're not showing your entire screen, because I cannot see any other thing you're trying to show me.
I sent you something wrong.
Where did you send this?
On WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, okay. Not on WhatsApp now.
I can't show you it on this.
Please look at what I'm sending to you on WhatsApp and check. You should see a difference there.
Okay.
Have you seen any difference now?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Okay, let me look at it.
Have you seen anything there?
No, it looks exactly the same.
Eh?
It looks the exact same.
It's the same thing.
It looks the exact same.
I'm coming. Let me see. Let me edit it. I edited it in this thing. It's when you start telling me that your whatever is bigger. I couldn't understand how that happened.
Okay.
Oh yeah, take a look at it now. Let's see. Has it shown on your side?
It's, yeah, I'm looking.
Mm-hmm.
Image plain.png, plain dot. Yes, it's not there. You do find it was 0, that's correct. Since interval more 2000, that's function. Variability, let's get limited.ig. The enlargement equals image as of this. Yes, I do see it.
Eh?
I do see it.
Okay, what did you see?
Images. Image as here. Image is hurry. But here is meant to be images.
Hold on, I'm adding something. I'm adding something more. Okay.
I fixed the bug.
I've
Yeah.
Can you see the changes I've made towards the bottom of the function?
Huh?
Have you seen it?
Have you sent it?
Yes.
On WhatsApp?
Yes, on WhatsApp.
There's no difference.
Okay. It looks like the thing has expired. I'm coming. Let me try it again. It did not change. I'm coming. I thought that it changed. I don't know why it's doing like this. Simeon, why is it that you are always going offline now? Still on WhatsApp. I don't know if it's because of this.
Okay, I'm on WhatsApp.
Before I even I let go, you've already moved. You've left WhatsApp. I'm deleting that first one I sent. Have you seen the one I just?
Yes. You added an.
Have you seen the assignment?
Yes, I've seen it.
So now let me just explain it, since you are looking at it now. So, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So that's where you have the d.inner.html. If you look at it very well, you are simply creating an image dynamically, isn't it? By sending that img from the right hand side into the d.inner.html on the left. Can you see that?
Huh?
Are you hearing me at all?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Why are you saying I just explained something now and I'm hearing if you are not hearing me, let me know so that I don't have to
Yes,
keep repeating.
can you just repeat it? Can you just repeat it?
What I said is that we are dynamically creating an image by sending that img there from the right hand side to the left hand side in d.inner.html.
Yes.
Now, if you look at it very well, the src is what? Images, isn't it?
Yes,
Can you see the
yes.
image with
Yes, sir.
that slash?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I'm coming. Is that the slash that should be there? Okay, I think that's the slash. Left this thing. Okay, so that image is there. Now, if you notice, images, after that slash should come the name of the image, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But now, the name of our images are inside the array called my imgs, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we're concatenating the string there with my imgs, and then we're putting the index I to help us to be able to pick the right image per time.
Yes, sir.
So now what happens is that after we pick the first image, after that line, you notice that you're having I++, isn't it? That means we're
Yes,
ready
sir.
to go to the next one, which is I. Maybe if it was 0 before, it should go from 0 to 1. Then we need an if statement to help us to be checking. If we have reached up to, what do you call it? If we have reached up to 5, you know we cannot exceed 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we reach 5, we should set I back to 0, so that the thing will start from the beginning. That's the whole idea of that thing. If not, if you don't do that, the thing will keep on increasing from 5 to 6, and we don't have anything like plain 6. So it's supposed to stop at 5, which traditionally, if we start from 0, it should end at 4. So getting up to 5 means that it's as if it's going to plain 6. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yes, I am.
So let me see. Have you reflected the changes in your code?
Yes, but not yet. Not all of them.
Oh yeah, reflect it.
If yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Let's test it.
All right. So I think yes.
Yes.
It looks like it's moving, right?
Yes. I put it at 1,000 seconds.
What did you say?
I just want to see what's how it will be in 1,000 seconds, 1,000 milliseconds.
Okay.
What's the
Okay.
average speed for like a plane?
Is more realistic, Abby?
Yes.
If you want it to even move faster, you can change that 1,000 to 500.
What about 100?
No, 100. You may not even see it at all. You can change it to 500. That's half
But
of a second.
but I just want to test it with 100. That's what I just
100. Okay.
experiment. Ah,
Can you see
no.
it?
Yes. It's what?
Think. That's why I said
Ah,
500. 500 is more realistic. That's
yeah.
half of a second.
Yes. 500 is okay. Like a 500. Put. I want to test. What if you put 0? Will it still work?
I don't know.
It's really
It,
fast.
it's a work, but it's like you're driving the hardware, really hard.
Okay, 500. I'll say like maybe 1,000.
Maybe 1,000.
Like, yeah, 1,000 looks appropriate. Nah, yeah, 500, 500. Okay.
500 is.
Okay, so
Okay, so do you understand the concept, how it's working?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. That I is simply changing from 0. Remember, if you look at the first value of I, after the array was created, the first value of I is 0. The next and it was intentionally done at that point. I created the I at that point so that you don't have to create it again inside the function. The only thing we're doing inside the function move is to be what? Increasing I and making use of it inside that line that has d.inner.html, and it's changing it from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, and 4 is the highest because we have 5 images because of we started from 0. Once we reach 5, change I back to 0 so that the next time move gets called, it is not seeing 5, it's seeing what? 0. That's why it looks like the plane. It starts from the beginning again, from 0, plane 1, plane 1 is 0, plane 2 is 1, plane 3 is 2, plane 4 is 3, and plane 5 is 4. And then the whole thing starts all over again. That if statement there is helping us to control things so that we don't overshoot our boundaries.
Okay, yes, okay, so okay, so.
All right. So what just for practice, you can think of any other thing. Maybe you might want to use a car this time. A car, to have the impression that the car is moving. So that means you have to create all your images down. Keep your images, create your images in the image folder first. If not, this thing will not work. You have to create it first. Then you now come and plan your code. Okay, you come and plan your code. So I think that's what you do for your homework so that you have some practice with this. But then so your homework will not be too different from this. It's the code will still be the same thing. The only difference now is that the content of your array will be different, and then maybe if you have 10 images, obviously you cannot have if I equals 5 for 10 images. You have to raise it to match the number of
Yeah,
images that you have. So that's how it is. So you saw what we did in the class, right? You download an image that's of your
yes,
choice. You go to remove bg, remove.bg, remove the background so that you will not be seeing. If we had not removed the background, I hope we would have been seeing the background moving too. Yes, that's what will happen. That's the problem with leaving the background. So when you remove the background, whatever is the color of the page, it will show as that. So that's the beauty of it. We're not seeing the background that the image originally came with. So it will just keep on changing and changing and changing till you know. And then if you like the picture of this aeroplane, we needed to make it look like it was getting bigger. Just like as if something was approaching. When something's approaching you, it seems to become bigger in size when it's approaching you. So that's the whole idea of making the image bigger. But if you are doing it for a car that's moving in a straight line, you may not need to make the car look like it's getting bigger. Just be changing the position of the car as you are saving the images. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
yes,
Okay. So I think we can stop here for today. We've done quite a lot today. We've worked with Microsoft Paint, worked with remove background website, and then we now did our code. So that's quite a lot. Okay, any questions?
No, sir.
All right. Okay, so I guess we'll be meeting again by Saturday, by God's grace, 3 o'clock. I hope you'll be able to finish before then. And so you can start once you finish your homework. You can start working on those other ones. You understand?
From the beginning.
Yeah. You can start working on those ones from the beginning, just so that just gradually. I'm not saying you should finish everything between now and Saturday. Just take it gradually, so that we'll
Okay,
have
sir.
at the end of maybe by next week we should be, if you have been able to finish, then we'll just create that index.html, and then we know that your website is still ready to push it out. Because I think we just have to take this route, because if we keep on waiting, I'm not sure your laptop will be fixed soon. But if you are sure your laptop will be fixed, because the things are on the hard drive, and we once the laptop can come on, the hard drive is not accessible. So I really wish that we did an online backup. It's really paining me that we have to do this thing all over again. But anyway, we just work at it. We'll finish by next week. All right. So you say you don't have any questions, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you Saturday by God's grace.
You too, sir.
All right.
Bye.
Regards to everyone. Yeah. Bye.
Yes.